Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll give you a beginner-friendly guide on how to play Pokemon Go on your mobile. So let's get started without any further delay. First, download Pokemon Go from the App Store or Google Play Store. It will be available on App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. Then open the game and create your account. Walk around in the real world to find Pokemon. When you walk, different types of Pokemon will appear on your screen like this. Tap on it to enter the capture mode and use your finger to swipe a Pokeball towards the Pokemon. Aim carefully to hit inside the colored circle like this for better catch chances. You can also use berries to make them catching easier. Visit Pokestop to collect items like Pokeballs, potions and eggs. Spin the photo discs, and when you are nearby, battle in gyms and raids to gain experience and earn rewards and level up your Pokemon. And that's the basic of playing Pokemon Go on your mobile phone. Walk, catch and battle your way to becoming a top trainer. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment which Pokemon you caught first. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.